Hello everybody. In this tutorial I am going to show you a very simple technique to create 3D text inside Adobe Photoshop. You can use any version if you like. Here I am using Photoshop CC. So we are going to get this output. So let us start from the very beginning. So now I am closing this file. Go to File, New, give width 600 pixels and height 300 pixels. Click OK. Now take a font of your choice. Please choose a thicker font so that you will be able to see the output very easily. Here I am writing 3D text. So I have written here 3D text. Hold Ctrl and T so that your transform tool will be activated. Ctrl plus T. Then hold Alt and Shift and drag outward as I have done here. Now the text has been enlarged. Hit Enter to finish the task. Now, as you know, in Photoshop text are vector shapes. Unless you rasterize it, you cannot make modification to it. So to rasterize it, you have to go to Layer, right click here and choose rasterize type. It is very important. Rasterize type. Now go to Edit, Transform and Distort. Hold down Alt and Shift key and drag inward from a corner as I have done here. Hit Enter to finish the task. Then go to the Layer palette and drag and drop it on this layer icon here. You see the out as I am doing. Drop it on the layer palette here. What will happen? It will create a duplicate copy of the text that you have already created. Now hold down the Control key and click on this icon here. You see I am clicking. Now the outer area of the text is selected. Now I am changing its color to something different. OK. Alt and backspace so that the selected area will be filled with a color. So let me change it to something different color so that it will be visible. So I am creating this red color here, taking this red color. Now again I am, as the selection area is active, I am pressing Alt and backspace. So if you make the top layer invisible, you will see that you are having this red text underneath the top layer. Now we are having two text layer here. Ctrl D to deselect it. Now you are on the bottom layer here, in the 3D text layer here. You see. Then hold down the Alt key and press your down arrow key repeatedly. Till you are satisfied with the depth that you are getting. It will create the extrusion effect of a 3D text. Now you see from the layer palettes we have created many layers. So except the top layer, select all the rest layers by holding down the shift key. Do not choose the background layer. Now press Ctrl plus E. Ctrl plus E. Now the bottom layers have been merged together. Now you see it is the top layer, and beneath it you are having the depth of the text. Now where we have already created the 3D text. So it is very simple, and anybody, any beginner, if he or she follows me closely, will be able to create this effect. So thank you very much for watching my tutorial.